Hello everyone. If I'm doing it on my phone because using KineMaster as a layer on my iPad doesn't work. So let's just tell you how to make an Akko opens the wrong door vid. It's kind of simple. It's kind of simple. I use KineMaster.
The Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
So, if you want, you have to download the. You do like. It's so small. Little Witch Academia green screen. Do this one. You can download it, or you can screen record it first, and then some random. I'm just gonna type SpongeBob Saints.
Oh, you poor
Maybe you wanna
thing. By the way,
put
you
this
forgot
one
your
on there.
briefcase.
You record or download that vid, and so this is. Let me screen record this first. I'm gonna do overtime. Tell me in the comments if you want to show this in big screen. Wait, no, actually, I'm not gonna do overtime. This one.
Solitude in E minor.
Yeah, E minor, alright, yeah!
Okay, I'm gonna screen record this guy. Okay, I'm gonna screen record. I'm gonna go see this sometime.
Buddy.
I'm gonna tell you when I'm screen recording.
Is my
Guys, I'm sorry, I didn't put an audio in the first and the second part is really important. I'm gonna go put this on a video and I'm gonna put this as a vid and okay guys, I used KineMaster for this video, so I'm gonna press whatever stuff. You press media and then just put the okay, this is the big rule for this. And if you put the Akko's thing here, it's not going to work. It's actually not going to work. Please do not do that to your boot. Put your video that Akko is going to see before it. And yeah, I'm going to cut the video to a good spot. I'm just gonna, do not mind me, I'm just gonna edit some
Solitude in
stuff.
E minor.
Yeah,
Yeah, E minor. Yeah, that's funny. I'm gonna cutting stuff. Now putting the Akko's Akko opening the wrong door green screen on. And then put the key color to green.
Minor.
Yeah, E minor, alright, yeah!
That video was
Yeah,
really
E minor, alright, yeah!
So I'm gonna press cutting and then make it muted. Please do that. I don't want to get messed up. So the ending. So you just do the same thing with the others. I'm just gonna do another way how to mute it. You press that, speed mute audio, and then cut it at the end of the vid. If you screen recorded. So yeah. So we're already done. This is the final. there. I'm gonna export it. We're exporting it. Do not mind me. Exporting it. Then press if you're an Android, you're supposed to see YouTube on there, but you're an iOS, there's nothing YouTube there. You just have to press iMovie and then press Create New Movie. And then don't mind me. I'm just gonna put the name on. Akko opens the wrong door. Number 5. And then press YouTube. Yeah, press YouTube. And then press YouTube. I don't know what I'm doing, but press YouTube. And press public. And do not mind me. The thing, the copyright thing. The words, I mean, I don't know what I'm saying. The rights for people, do not mind me. So typing Little Witch Academia and Mia and SpongeBob. If your video's copyrighted, you don't need to do this. If it's going to get copyrighted, then please do rights. I don't want people to get copyrighted. And then press public. And then let's go press share. I don't want to. It's exporting. And then it's done. Your video is done. This is all. That's all for the video. Bye, everyone. This is all. Bye.